So this is my first attempt at some chicharrons. Has some little pork belly nuggets, and I trimmed off the little thick fat pieces and deep fried them. Sprinkled a little pink Hawaiian sea salt on there and some onion powder. They came out alright. Pretty good, look at that. Your boy making skins. Yeah, let's get a bite. Alright, let's check these bad boys out. Here they go. They're pretty good. Tastes like I bought them. I might be on to something, huh? Oh yeah. So here goes those little pork belly chunks. Oh, look like I forgot to cut off a piece right there. Alright, missed one. So what? That's still gonna get eaten. But these are just little pieces of pork belly that I got from Zion Market. And I had them seasoned overnight. 2 tablespoons of Goya. Actually 3 tablespoons of Goya. Tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. And I let that sit overnight in the refrigerator, and then came home and threw them in the oven. And I don't know what we're gonna do with them. My wife is doing some couscous, so I'm gonna sprinkle this over a bowl of couscous. Back in a minute. Alright, so here's one of those little pork belly pieces. That is fat, meat, and fat. And it's really hot. But the fat just melting in your mouth. Man, them are good. Oh, didn't put them on the smoker. I've been seeing the trend of smoked pork belly burnt ends, and they're looking good. I did mine in the oven. So to let you know, you can get good quality pork bellies in the oven. Alright, it's your boy Keenan. You know what's up. Back in a minute. So here it is. Pork belly and couscous. Little box couscous is on point. I think this is Parmesan flavor. It's gonna go good with this pork belly. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's get some. Let's get a little bit of this. That is, man, that look good. All right, let's take a bite. Let's get on here a little light. Look at that. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Tastes good. Did them pork bellies for about an hour in the oven at 375, and then I dropped the heat to 350. About another like 20 minutes, and then I just turned the heat off and let them sit in the oven for like 10 minutes. And then no, it was all good. My son gonna eat his with some noodles. That's what he's so excited over. But it's all good. You know, we sitting there watching Super Showdown. I'm gonna finish eating this pork belly with this couscous. It's your boy Keenan. You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking again. Don't forget to check me out on YouTube. 1.